From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello everyone, my name is Schmalenberger. Happy Wednesday! Here with you today with your CNET forecast. Taking a look behind me right now. This is a time lapse that we saw from Beaver Stadium. You can quickly see some of those clouds beginning to roll in very quickly or so. That's been kind of a theme for this entire morning. Very cloudy skies, not a whole lot of sun. You might be seeing a couple peaks of sun here and there, so temperatures going up just a little bit, nothing too much, and that brings us to right now. Cloudy skies, barely a sight of the blue sky, maybe a peaks here and there. We haven't seen a bit of those partly clouds coming in here and there. 30 degrees though, feels like 30, which is nice, thankfully. Visibility is 10 miles despite all of the clouds that you see, and it's a pretty calm windy speed right now. Nothing too much. Again, 30 in State College, much of the surrounding area. We got 30 in Indiana. Feels like 24 though. It will continue to be a little bit more of that spread out. We got around 30 in Pittsburgh. Feels like 22, and down in Philadelphia, respectively, 36 and 36. A little bit warmer on that East Coast that we're starting to see. Looking out at wind speeds, though, again, there's not a whole lot to talk about today. It's a pretty stable temperature, around 8 miles per hour in Pittsburgh. Pretty calm speeds up in State College itself, Center County region. Calm down in Philadelphia, 6 in Scranton. And Allentown, you're looking at around 5 or so, respectfully. As far as radar goes, again, we got some of those clouds we saw definitely over in that time lapse rolling in. It's been a pretty cloudy day or so. We're seeing part of the northeast of PA, a little bit more clearer on the side as that. That will continue throughout the rest of today. As we're looking, though, right now, getting later tonight, this is something we do want to worry about, though, something we do want to keep our eyes on. Going into tomorrow, early morning or so, we're talking 3, 4 a.m., we're getting a huge amount of this wintry mix coming down from the southwest. This is going to cause a lot of problems for icing. That is something we really want to look out for, especially considering this will be continuing all into around 10 a.m., 11 a.m. or so when those clouds finally clear up. That could cause a lot of ice on the roads and very dangerous driving conditions. So it's something we do want to keep in mind if you're going to work tomorrow, have somewhere to go or whatnot, all throughout the morning. However, as we get into later on, though, most of that will clear out. It'll warm up a little bit or so, 30, 34, not too much though. It can still keep that ice on the ground. It'll mostly just be clouds. However, as we get into Friday, might be seeing a couple of those snow showers early in the morning, but besides that, really nothing much else to talk about. It's going to be getting a little bit of those clearer skies or so up around Friday around 2 o'clock into the afternoon and whatnot. Looking at our temperature outlook, though, we have been seeing, as a very common theme throughout this entire past January into February now, a lot of colder temperatures coming up. South, we are getting a little bit of those warmer temperatures that we're starting to see, but as we get more so up across the entire Midwest, up into the northeastern portion, it's really a lot of those colder temperatures that we're seeing around, 20s, maybe 30s or so. It's a very, very cold winter. It does make for some very dangerous conditions. Again, as I said, tonight, we're going to be getting a lot of that wintry mix coming in around 27 degrees or so. Winds from the southeast on the later side. Luckily, you don't have to worry about wind chill, around 5 to 10 miles per hour or so. And then tomorrow, want to look out for it. It will be freezing rain in the morning, possibly bits of snow and whatnot. That will convert over to rain later on, but winds from the south at around 7 to 9 miles per hour. 44 degrees as the high, despite all that icing that we are going to be seeing tomorrow morning. So nothing too bad or so. However, as we get into the rest of the 7-day forecast, I want to take a look at this real quick. Again, we got that wintry mess later on coming in tonight. Thursday, we'll be seeing a bit of that icing that could be coming in. Friday and Saturday, cloudy day, and then a little bit of that wintry mix again coming up on Saturday late at night or so. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we are just looking at a bit of those partly cloudy skies, and then possibly some snow showers we could be seeing on Tuesday. Temperatures are going to be in the lower half though, despite all the icing. I know I keep saying word of the day, icing, all those problems that might be occurring Thursday. We are going to be having the high of the week around 44 degrees or so. Besides that though, it will start to head on down. We're seeing lows of the low 20s or so. Luckily, nothing in the teens. Let's keep it that way because we do want to see at least a little bit of a warmer temperature, be a little bit more comfortable outside. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Schmalenberger. See you next time.